Sanibonani, my beautiful people. Hope you guys are good, hope you guys are great. uNkulunkulu usasithanda, uNkulunkulu usasigcinile, uNkulunkulu usasifunela okuhle futhi. Since it's still Youth Month, I just wanted us to talk about why i-generation yethu, i-generation that is so curious. Hlale sibuza ukuthi why kwenzeka izinto. Hlale sifuna ukwazi ukuthi kutheni ngingenzi ukuthi, why kuthiwa ngingenzi 1 2 3, why kumele ngenze 1 2 3. And I feel like sometimes lokho kuyasivimba ukuthi sifunde, because kwezinye zezinto kufuneka usikwangathi singathula simamele ukuthi ungayenzi into uvesana ungayenzi, because it saves you from a whole lot of things thina esingazazi. But the way sizitshela ukuthi sazi ngakhona sibese sizithole ezimeni esingakhona ukuphuma kuzo because we were curious ukuthi kutheni but ngakwenzi lokhu. Mina ngiyazi I can do it better than uSimangmang. Sometimes kumele sifunde kulabo abaphambili kithi, sometimes kumele simamele laba abaphambili mebathi don't do this. Ungasabuza why kakhulu, kukhona la kumele nje uma kutshela ukuthi yazi ukuthi kumele ngithule nje ngimamele. Isikhathi sami sokuthi ngithule, isizin yami yokuthi ngithule ngimamele, ngingabuzi ngingaquestion, because laba abaphambili vele kakade bazi impilo ayicali ngathi, and we need to learn from people's experiences, from people's mistakes. Singalokhu sibuza ukuthi why into kanje. Abantu abadala bathanda ukuthi bangafuni to something but kuyatile. Sometimes we just need to take that reason and run with it. Singafuni ukubona ukuthi if ngizokwenza kuzokwenzakalani, because iyasilimaza nje kakhulu. Kwabanye sime ndawonye because sabuza ukuthi why senza lokho esizitshela ukuthi siyakwazi. Anyway, konke kuhle nomusa makusilandele. I love you, enjoy your day.
Beat breakfast ku 104.1 the pumping Piero Ficus ku #change your thoughts change your mind. Mina kuqala bengimathi ngeadvocate yekudila namuhla ujika yonke lento ubuhle ngikwamukele la msakadweni kunjani?
Ngiyaphila kunjani ngibingelele balaleli ekhaya?
Ngiyaphila la mina kune-trend lebengiyathi nga-June 16 bantu bagcoke i-uniform wendeni wena?
Well, June 16 this time around ungithole nami ngiphethwe ama-exams and what not. So I didn't really do much, and obviously I think the spirits nje sesishintshile, it's no longer the same. The youth is not doing the right things, so kuningi safuneka sibuyele emuva manje sikulethe phambili, you know.
No, the youth is doing the right thing. Balula ukuthi sifunze lama uthi ubhala ama-exam bokahle lokusho ukuthi siyakujabulela. Into le kahle le ukhuluma ngento lesingavami kuyenda la sicabanga ukuthi sihlakaniphile thina sinokuthi abantu abadzala busha babo bakudla kudzala la singakhoni kuthula. Sometimes lama answers uthola ukuthi beka khona nethi ngoba sikawaniki isikhathi sokuthi mhlambe la sifune kuva, because nje sifuna kuphikisa kuphela thina sifuna ukukhuluma kuphela ke lana. Angathi kukhona mhlambe lo wakufunza kwakwendekela ngenxa yokungalaleli.
Oh, most definitely we learn from our mistakes with, you know, kunesikhathi la ufika khona empilweni yakho la ungafuni ukumamela umuntu khona, and the only thing you want to do ukuthi hayi mina ngifuna ukwazi isizathu sokuthi why ningenza ukuthi ithi ngiyowenza, ithi ngibona ukuthi kuyowenzakalani. Zonke example abaningi besikhuluma ngoku teenage pregnancy nani siyazi ukuthi abaningi bafike ku teenage pregnancy because they were curious ukuthi kanti kwenzakalani. Abantu abadala susela dala basukwadlala nabafana kuyatila ungenza ukuthi, but then the reason why we caught ourselves in such situations is because we decided not to listen, and sifuna ukubona ukuthi kanti ukutila abashoni. Ngifuna ukubona mina ukuthi mekuthiwa emgwaqeni siyagqoka siyambatha awuvezi ikhanda awuvezi in mina mengaligqoki kwenzakalani. And siyabona ke manje ukuthi youth has changed everything. In fact singasasho ukuthi umhlaba uyabhubha because ayiseke into ehamba kahle. Yiko lokho ukuthi sifuna ukwazi ukuthi why kwenzeka ukuthi kuningi abasifundise kona abantu abadala, and we know it. Now uthi uhamba nje ukugroove ubone nje ukuthi abona la bashilo phela singayenzi lento le, but then now we see things kunezinto ezenzeka la ngaphandle, and then you ask yourself hayibo lento lezi kakade zikhona, but why is it so big manje ngoba sekunathi as the youth? Ilokhu ba curious.
Manje sifunza kanjani kulabanye ngoba le practical angeke ngilibone kahle. Ngijabuliswa ngalesibonelo lo bekusengazo nethi kubhlungu mase kungendekele la ukuthi sengikhulelwe. Ngifunza njani? Kufuna ngithathe just le information ngingafuni ukubona lama results, because ukhuluma liqiniso umuntu lomdzala so ihambile lento leyo angini, so i-experience ile ene akafuni ukuthi mina nami ngibukane nalobu matima or lama mistake leka wenda. So ngifunza njani? Ngifunza ngokuthi ngilalele, because i-message namuhla vele ikhuluma ngokuthi silalele la, then mina ngidakwenda mase ngifike ngesikhathi.
One thing I can say ukuthi uzonqelaphi uma ucabanga ukuthi uyazi. I-challenge yokuthi ufunde kumele umamele. Unfortunately ngeke khona ukufunda ungakamameli. So if uzositshela ukuthi wena ake ngize umamele, unfortunately vele kusho ukuthi ake kufunde lutho. So kukhona isikhathi la kumele umamele khona. I think sonke siyazi ukuthi mawukhula even emakhaya basihlalisa phasi ukuthi no manje isikhathi sokuthi bakhuluma ngezinto ezikanje. So I think it's not about ukuthi bebathi singakwenzi. Bebathi ungakwenzi manje. Isikhathi mesihamba uyabona abantu abadala sometimes banibiza-ke banihlalise phasi. Okay, kule stage lesi empilweni yakho manje uzobona u-1, 2 no 3. Just thina sibese siba impatient. Sifuna ukwenza before isikhathi sethu. But I do believe ukuthi abantu abadala basasihlalisa phasi nanamhlanje. Thina kumele sikwazi ukuthi nje sibe patient, sizitshele ukuthi you know what, angazi everything because ngaba nomoya ukuthi ngiyazi konke ayikho into ozoyifunda.
Labathi singisi bathi curiosity kill a cat la. Yini kahle kahle le wrong ngathi sesivala la ukuthi siyajaha kumbe kufuna bangasitsheli at all ngoba ngasikhathi mina nginokuthi yabona umuntu mawamtshela umuntu ukuthi ungendi lokho usuke umoshile vele nje. Yokuba sivala ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi yini le problem ngoba ane kunokutshintsha ukuthi vele la kufike isizini leso ukuthi kumakhada ukuthi wena uyafuna noma ufuna uma ungafuni kulalela kutobonakala sokubamba imikhuhlane uma ungafuni igcoka bakutshelile ukuthi igcoka. So ngifuna ukuva ukuthi yini mhlambe le sento singalaleli khona le sibambelele kakhona sibona la ebasibambelela labantu labo.
Inkinga sicabanga ukuthi umhlaba uyabhubha mase kufika kuwe ngathi ungayijaha lento. So ngisho ukuthi inkinga yethu ukuthi we are impatient. Ucabanga ukuthi wena ungakwenzi manje angeke kuze kusenzeka kanti isikhathi sakho sikakufiki, wait your turn. Isikhathi sakho mase sifikile bese kuyazenzakalela uzobukwazi nokuthi ufune wenzeni mase ufika kuleso stage.
Yeah, yabona uyabekisela ngoba ngidobe ngikhulele lento uqinisile even noma ngabe ku sports yonke into siye kuma training yakhona sifike sesiright lapha uqala ube ne license kufuna uyoba ne naso yonke into nje ufika sekunesikhathi sakhona no kuvakele okuhle duma ku social media bakulandzela ku.
Well, ngiyatholakala-ke ku-social media wonke. It's okuhle Duma Nkosi on Facebook, on TikTok, everywhere, even on WhatsApp. So yeah, as long as uzothi #okuhle nomusa, okuhle kuyakulandela, the talk with okuhle most definitely uyothola mina ngiyabonga.
Yeah, ngicela kusho nami ukuthi #okuhle nomusa la ku Peter Breakfast akukulandele nawe lokuhle sitakubamba next time siyabonga.
Ngiyabonga.